Personal protective equipment, or PPE, refers to the protective clothing you should be wearing during pest control applications. It's important to protect yourself so you can prevent chemical spills, bug bites, and irritation. We recommend you take the proper precautions whenever you use chemicals or work to control pests. Remember to always read the product label for proper safety information and application rates. Labels will also have the minimum PPE requirements listed for application. Depending on your chemical application, you'll need to get the right PPE. Protective equipment can be broken down into 3 categories: skin protection, eye protection, and respiratory protection. Skin protection is necessary to stop chemical contact, direct pest contact, or scratches. Many spray applications require you to cover all of your exposed skin. Covering up will also protect you in case of accidents like wind drift. Recommended protection can include a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, and gloves. Eye protection is also necessary for most chemical applications. It's important to use equipment that offers full coverage, as pesticide vapors, drift, or debris can make it around simple eyewear. Recommended protection can include safety glasses, safety goggles, or face shields. If you wear glasses, make sure your protective eyewear can fit comfortably over your glasses. Respiratory protection is important so you don't inhale any chemical vapors or other particles. Recommended protection includes a particulate respirator or a reusable respirator with replaceable filters. Just ensure your mask or respirator forms a tight seal against your face before use. Always check your pesticides label for the PPE requirements. If your pesticide does not list the minimum PPE, then we at least recommend you wear a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, shoes, and gloves. Gloves should be worn with every type of application, but different gloves have different uses. When spraying chemicals, be sure to use non-absorbent, chemical-resistant gloves. When inspecting for pests or working with sharp tools, wear leather work gloves. When working with more sensitive chemicals, we recommend you wear a disposable Tyvek suit, which offers full body coverage from wrist to ankle. If you're spraying high vertical targets, wear a hat and eyewear to protect yourself from any elevated drift. Face coverings or respirators are necessary for many aerosols, space sprays, and dust applications. They're also needed, along with gloves and full body covering, when inspecting for animals like rodents that can leave droppings wherever they travel. Do not wear latex or polyethylene gloves, as they are not chemical resistant. When applying chemical products, we recommend you use disposable or reusable gloves made with nitrile. Before every application, check all of your equipment for any tears, and make sure all seals are intact. Once your chemical application is complete, wash yourself and all reusable PPE with soap and water. Personal protective equipment is necessary to protect skin, eyes, and the respiratory system. Wearing the right equipment for each application will prevent any accidents such as chemical spills, bug bites, or irritation. You can shop for PPE products on our website or stop by one of our store locations. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.